Hi, I'm Marco Witting. I'm with Ace Controls, and we're here at the ATX show introducing our Internet of Things shock absorber, which is a hydraulic shock absorber with a piggybacked receiver. With that, we've put in a sensor, which is measuring the temperature and the pressure as well as the cycles of the shock absorber. So as the shock is cycling, it'll give you a continuous reading of the pressure as it's stroking, as well as of the temperature, and then it'll also measure the counts in terms of the number of times that it'll be stroking. The reason why we want to do this is as we go forward, it's going to be a very effective way to watch how the shock operates over time. And with this, we'll be able to determine when the shock will fail. We'll be creating some algorithms in order to help out with predictive types of maintenance so that we can do 24-hour monitoring and also predict when a shock will fail so you can do preventative maintenance as opposed to more reactive maintenance. The goal with this is to start with the larger shocks, which is safety shocks such as this, and then shrink this down over time so that we can put it into smaller and smaller applications. Some of the other cool features about this is the fact that it will send wirelessly the shock diagnostics to your phone, so you'll get a text message if it's high or low or operating normally. It'll also give you alerts if there's any sort of failures coming up. The main computer that we're using is designed to be able to carry up to 500 shock absorber signals. You'll be able to really have multiple shock absorbers operating throughout your plant and be able to send it all to one location. For more information, feel free to contact us at acecontrols.com. And once you get to the website, there's a Contact Us button, and you can reach out to us that way about specific questions.